Just wanted to make this quick video in order to discuss the future of the Dragon Ball Super manga. Hello and welcome to UnderYZ, my name is Soham and today we are going to talk about the future of Dragon Ball Super manga in regards to what exactly is in store for us in the next arc. As usual, if you're new here then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. Also, we are trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so a like and sub would be massively appreciated. Now on to the video. Now for better or worse, Dragon Ball Super manga chapter 65 is finally over, and in the next chapter, that is chapter 66, we are going to get the final climactic battle between Goku and Planet Eater Moro. That will probably be the ending of this arc, or maybe it might get extended to chapter 67 where we'll finally get the aftermath of this battle. But it is for sure that after chapter 67, we are finally entering the next saga or next arc of Dragon Ball Super manga. In December, we already have Jump Festa, so we are probably going to get some trailer in this particular regard. But I wanted to have this video discussion where I'd like to ask you guys, what do you think is going to be the next arc of Dragon Ball Super manga? I have two major speculations currently and a lesser third one to add it at the very end. But these two stuff are most likely to happen in the future of this series. So let's talk about them. Firstly, I think it's no one's guess but a Planet Sadala arc. Obviously, this is probably not going to be of Universe 7 but rather of Universe 6. Something that was teased to us right from the very beginning of the show, both in Dragon Ball Super as well as Dragon Ball Z. Planet Sadala is the original home planet of the Saiyans, something that has been teased to us for a really long time, but we never actually got much history or much connection to it in this series. But in Dragon Ball Super, we finally got some information about it in regards to the Universe 6 Saiyans and the interactions from Planet Sadala. Vegeta was quite keen on discovering them and just going there in general because he is after all the prince of all Saiyans, although technically he should be the king of all Saiyans at this point. But you get my point. That is obviously something which every fan is waiting for, so that is the first contender for the next arc. And the other one is also quite obvious because it was pretty much teased to us in this Moro arc. And that is in regards to the Grand Priest from Dragon Ball Super. Basically, after the death or after the erasure of Beerus was quite scared that the Grand Priest might be very angry or might be very agitated at him for the loss of his son. So that might be a pretty interesting story, and obviously a lot of us are very keen to know more about these angels and God of Destructions. We have some idea about the God of Destructions, but we literally know nothing about the angels and how they are created and what exactly is their relation to the Grand Priest other than being the father of them, and who exactly was Beerus, how was he a trainee angel, and how are these trainee angels even created, or what is their backstory, what exactly happens with them, and who exactly this Grand Priest character is. Back in the day when Dragon Ball Super was running weekly, we had all these sorts of wacky theories that Grand Priest was the eventual villain of the series. He was the Makaioshin, the Demon King, the Demon Angel. We had all these wacky theories and stuff like that. But the question still remains about the mystery or the real identity of the Grand Priest. So an arc exploring the Grand Priest and the angels in general would be very much appreciated by the entire fandom. The third theory is quite simple and it's just the end of Z. At this point, it's pretty clear that Dragon Ball Super has to go past the end of Z arc from Dragon Ball Z in order to have its own achievement or its own mark upon the series. So what better point than this? I mean, we have covered a lot of story from the other universe stuff, Goku Black, the Tournament of Power, Moro. We have covered a lot of stuff. So it might probably be the time for the end of Z as well. We are probably going to get a couple of arcs before we eventually head to the end of Z, and after that maybe the story will continue if there is still monetary success for the series. But these are three possible candidates for the next upcoming arc of Dragon Ball Super. We are probably going to get more information about it in the upcoming Jump Festa, and the new arc, the new saga might begin properly from chapter 68. But these are some of my thoughts and theories in this particular regard. What are your thoughts in regards to the upcoming saga or arc for Dragon Ball Super manga? What do you personally want to see? Please mention all these things in the comment section below and we can have a discussion of sorts there. If I like some of these ideas, I might make a video on them as well. So be sure to write your ideas in the comment section below. But that's it for today guys, thank you so much for joining in. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is UnderYZ and I'll see you soon in the next video. Once again, thanks for watching.